About 150 pounds? You up? Okay. Wow, slow. All right, well, come back. Now, lower your shoulders. You're going to relax your arm. Concentrate right here and just relax. Relax your whole shoulders and everything. Grab them again. Here. Yep.
Hey, it's different.
We can't pick them up.
Can't get it.
All right, now, when you lower your shoulders, called weight on the side, you push all the mass of your body to the ground. When you tense up, you raise your shoulders, you bring all the mass to the top half of your body. We can very easily. All right. Big fist. We'll pick it up. About 90 pounds. Okay. Okay, now what you're gonna do is lower your shoulders, relax your arm. Where your navel is, just 3 fingers what's below there. I'm gonna touch it again. Big fist. Don't let me bend your arm. Come on, tighten it up. Now the arm bends, but what happens is she falls off balance, correct? Make it tight. All right, so now, extend the fingers out. That wall is a fire. Look at that wall. Don't look at me, look at that wall. Focus on water coming from your stomach, out through your arm, out through your fingertips, and putting that fire out. Just look right at that wall. All right, can't bend her arm. She didn't fall off balance either. Make fist. Well, we turn this so that everybody can see you. All right. Make fist, make it on tight. All right. Now extend the wall up. Extend the fingers out. All up towards that wall. Don't look at me, look right at that wall. Water gonna come out from your stomach. Out through the arm. Out through your fingertips. And putting that fire out on the wall. There you go. Okay. And don't feel like you're doing much. Grab my wrist. You're not fighting. Don't let me bring them together. But we're gonna hold them out. I'm gonna try to pull it together. It's gonna be difficult to do. As soon as I lower my shoulders, point your fingers in the direction that I want to go. Hold them out. Oh, hold them out. I know it's embarrassing, but just hold them out. You can't do it. All right, here. Make a fist. Bring your hands together. I'm hitting the button.
Press the red.
All right, now. All right, well, I'm going this side of the watch now. All right. All right, now lower your shoulders and just bend at the wrist. Point your fingers in the direction that you want to go. Bend your elbows. All right, go ahead. I can't hold you up. I can't hold. All right. Let me tell you. This guy stretch your fingers out, you just activated your key, your energy, and thing is you got more power than you do strength. We're gonna come around and do that to you, but thank you. Well, I'm gonna let you try it. Right, just stretch your fingers out. Well, tell us I was going against your thumb. Make a fist and try to escape. I can pull you, right? All right, now spread your fingers out, point your fingers to the sky. the sky. I cannot hold on. All right, so if I try to pull you real quick, point the fingers to the sky, all the way up, don't point at me, because that means the energy's coming this way. You want the energy to go up, and that means I can't hold on. All right, we'll start over here. Right out.
That's it, that's perfect. Are you ready? Are you ready?
All right. Spread the fingers out. Right. There you go. As soon as you spread them out, the activation. Stand up, sit down. All right. Now here you're going to do me. Grab over top. Same technique we just did. Yep. Now just put your fingers right on top. You don't even have to grab. And then press down. All right. Out to the side as you press down. Yeah. All right. Come on. Now come on. You ain't done yet. Grab again. Nope, remember, fingers in the palm. That's why we have you do it again, because we know you're going to forget. Turn it up. Put the other hand on top of my finger. Your fingers on top of my finger. No, don't even grab. Just direct. All right. That's it. Yeah. Okay, here. Grab over. Down behind the hand. Turn it up. But don't grab. Yep. You got it? Grab my hand. Sit down. That's what you did to me. See it works, right? All right, come on. Oh, that's a good excuse. All right. Now, your large intestine line runs right down here to the back of the hand to the thumb. Small intestine line is going to run right down here to the back of the hand to the baby finger. If I stop the energy flow, you get pain, right? There's not a lot of pain, but the thing is, it is noticeable, right? You get ready to call me in there. So, all right, thank you. So now, you just got to whip one up. All right, so here, feel pain. So now if you press hard, if I strike hard, it's a motor dysfunction nerve. It takes 60-30 seconds for that to recover. And 60-30 seconds, that time to recover, meaning physical condition, age, and things like that, how fast you recover. You know, 18-year-olds will recover a lot faster than others. Right. And so the thing is, but you stop that energy flow. Gallbladder line. Turn this way. Right where the seam of his pants will go down here, that's your gallbladder line. Motor dysfunction nerve. If you strike there, and they don't take much to do, the leg gives out. You might not fall down, but you can't run after you. You can't run away. You can't chase after you. All right. Your right hand and left hand. All right. Let's use nothing. Make a fist. Don't let me lower your arm. Make a fist. Don't let me lower your arm. Now, what happens is, you can feel the strength come right back. So when you stroke away from a person's heart, you momentarily take the strength away. When you stroke back, you feel the strength come right back. Wow. Yeah. Feel that strength come right back. So do this from his hand strength. If I grab over the top of his thumb, the meat of his thumb, and turn it out, he is already off balance. You just push down. And we just practice under the ball, right? Point the fingers to the floor, that's where the energy is going to go. I don't care how big or strong or even be, you're still going to go down. So here, handshake, grab over top, fingers in the palm, thumb behind the hand, roll it out, and then just take them down. Come on, do it. All right, gotta do the other side. Fingers in the palm. Turn it up. Put some pressure on. Come on. Come on. Do it. Come on, do it. All right. Thank you. Good job, too. Yes, you do. if I try to hang on to her while her fingers in my throat, I'm gonna choke out. Trying to hold on to her. So, like right here, go ahead, release. No, okay. Push, push.
Oh, no, you used to do it.
You can't hurt still, bro. Come on.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Try with the other foot. That means you're gonna do the other hand. So now, I'm gonna choke you hard, so I hope you can release. All right. Somebody, you want somebody to stand behind the kitchen? In case you can't do it.
I don't know.
All right, come on. All right, you got that? Now, do good. Now, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, I can't.
All right, you get that person released. Now, what you're gonna do is, once you release my hand, you're gonna turn it, right? Let me show you this thing. Grab your hand. No, grab your hand. Turn it to the outside. The other finger wait. Woo, girl. What you doing with the project?
What do you think?
All right.
Well, what that got to do with it?
You kind of tough here. You go over the project, you got to finish.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. All right, so we turn it out. Let's move here so I don't end up kicking her out.
Oh,
All
wow.
right. So here, you're going to do this hand to give me the release. This hand is going to grab. All right, so here, I'm going to choke. Grab my hand. Hold the arms and your elbows to your stomach as tight as you can. Nobody can choke. Put both middle fingers over my arm. Just the middle finger. The other way over. Yeah, just the finger. The middle finger. You can't dance, you can't. Not to the crowd. Give it to the crowd. All right. Hook over. Just the middle. Both middle fingers. That one too. Bring your elbows to your stomach tight. Feel like you're choking? How can you talk if you're choking? All right. That's how far you can travel up to 15 to 20 feet. You don't have to wait until you get all the way up on you and start choking and then you spray. All right, if you feel threatened,